I've always been a planner, always asking what if. Always thought it was important to try and plan and control the things you could. Early 2019, I started having vertigo, kept happening, ended up, Matthew said, we need to take you and get you looked at. Went to get an MRI, they sat us down and they said, here's your brain tumor. I got it removed, and that's when we said, okay, we need to have this conversation.
Once we had kids and there's futures involved, it's such an important thing to have to give yourself peace of mind. An estate plan to me, it's a playbook for what you want to happen when you pass. Trust and Will's done such an amazing job creating a platform that makes it really easy and succinct for people to go out there, create their estate plan.
Life can change in a second. To know that everything that I love was going to be taken care of is a freeing feeling.
Create your estate plan today at trustandwill.com.